Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. I film videos all the way from Cameroon. In today's video, I want to share with you all something very interesting. I've been putting up a lot of content on how you can make money in this business and all that, but I've not really given you all a particular video and idea or a business idea on what you can do to actually make money. So somebody asked me a question like that, and I'll put it on the screen, like what kind of business. So in today's video, I want to share with you all business ideas you can do and make millions of dollars or make millions of safer. That's if you are in Cameroon. But in any part of the country, no matter your currency, you can start these business ideas now. I'm telling you, and you will make a lot of money. So the first business idea you can do is home or office cleaning service. I know you might have heard about this business idea, but you've never tried it. Now, let me tell you guys, if you're doing home or office cleaning service, you are going to make a lot of money. There are people that start just two of them, three of them. It ends up becoming a company whereby they start cleaning people's houses. They go to people's houses maybe two times in a month or once every week, depending on their budget, and they clean their houses, they clean their windows, they clean their kitchen, they organize their things, and they get paid for this service. Most people are so busy, like they don't have time to properly clean their house, and they always want people to do it for them. So if you're somebody that needs a job to do, you can start home cleaning service, and this business idea is going to earn you a lot of money. I'm telling you, a lot of money. Especially in Cameroon, this business service is very expensive. You pay, I think, one cleaning service, you pay about 20 to 30,000 francs for people to actually clean your house. So it's a very good business idea. Try it and let me know in the comment section. And if you have somebody doing it, the second business idea you can do is cooking for people in their homes, or you just cook and then sell to people that work in offices or people that work in chantier. Now, this business idea is equally very profitable. There are people that work and they do what they call bulk cooking, whereby they cook maybe once in a week or once in a month. Now, if you're somebody who knows how to cook, you can go around, advertise yourself, tell people that you're a good cook, you can cook for them and they pay you. You can equally move to offices where people work. You tell them about your menu every single day. Tell them that maybe today you have jollof rice and chicken on your menu if they would like to get some. You move to different offices, you take their orders, and at the end of the day, maybe they give you 10 orders. You know that, okay, today I have to make 10 plates of jollof rice, or 10 plates of fufu corn and kati kati, or 10 plates of fried rice, or 10 plates of fufu corn and maybe just huckleberry. Now, when you take these orders, you can now know, okay, the number of people you're cooking for. You can also go to chantiers. Chantier, I think, is a French name. You go to where people are building houses. These guys where they build, construct people's houses. They usually go there, and during the day they'll go out looking for food. So if you're somebody that needs a business idea, I think you can go around to different places where they work. There are usually like 10. If it's a company, that like 10, 15 of them there. You tell them your menu, that today you have jollof rice and chicken, or rice and groundnut stew. You let them know, and they'll be like, okay, maybe we have 15 of us, this is what we want. Now, if you sell 15 plates of rice for maybe 15 people, if it's 500 francs, you have make 7,500 francs for that day. And 7,500 francs times 5 working days of francs times 5 days of the week is about 37,500 francs times 4 weeks. It means you're making 150,000 francs every month, which is very to buy for them. This business idea, I used to look for people around, like, who can I send to the market to get me this item, why I pay them, because I'm not a market person. I don't like going to the market. Why? Because these days I'm so busy. I'm a mom, I have a business, I run a company. So me going to the market to buy foodstuffs for myself sometimes is so difficult. So I usually like, okay, who can I get to maybe go to the market and get this product for me? There is a new app where you can shop groceries, and then they deliver it to your house. But the app is not well developed. So one time I tried using the app and it's not good. And more so, there are people that want to go to the market to buy things for themselves, but they don't like mixing up in crowd and all that. So if you're somebody that is honest with this business idea, you must be honest, you're transparent. You can go to household, advertise yourself, and then they'll give you their money. You go to the market maybe on a weekly basis, you get foodstuffs, and then they get you paid. Now I think they paid maybe, I don't know, maybe 5% or 2% or 3%. I don't really know the percentage, but they are going to pay you, which means at the end of the day you end up making some money for yourself, which is a very, very good business idea. I think event organization. Now I've seen a lot of people doing this business, and I'm telling you guys, they make a lot of money. They always say, no, I do events, I don't really charge a lot of money, I'm so cheap. You guys, until you get to them, before you know they are cheap, they work on your budget, which means if you are to plan a birthday party and you want somebody to rent you chairs, to rent canopies, to book your cake, to book, go to your tailor, collect your dresses and all these things. There are people who are so busy and they want to have people organize their events for them, organize their weddings for them, organize even funerals for them, you know. So if you are somebody that needs a business idea, I think you should go into decor. When you go into decor, you can definitely venture into this kind of business, and with time it can result to a company whereby earning you a lot of money. This is a very, very good business idea. Just try it. All you need is very simple. With birthdays, you just need your balloons, you need small money and all that. You just very, very profitable is get into farming. If you're somebody that needs something to do and you have the skills, you have the capacity, you have the energy, I will advise you get into farming. It could be tomato farming, ginger farming, garlic farming, onion farming, carrot farming, cabbage farming, um or you go to animal farming where you can do poultry, dog fowls, chicken, goat, pigs, and all that. This business idea will earn you a lot of money. It will earn you a lot of money. These days, meat is so expensive. If you are in Cameroon, you know that meat right now is very expensive. A kilo of meat used to be 2,500, 3,000, but now it has gone to 3,000 and 3,500. Which means if you want to eat meat, you have to go to buy like 2 kilos before it can be okay for your household. I, for one, in my house, we are about 6 or 7 of us plus the baby, which I always eat the baby shell. That sounds funny. So you can go into farming. This will really earn you a lot of money. And farming these days, you don't need to be so hardworking. You just have to be creative and then ask before you do it. I, for one, I've done poultry business before, but I failed. Like I failed in poultry. Why? Because a lot of things happen. I didn't do my research, so I'll get to this video some other time to tell you what actually happened. I still owe that video. It's just I want to recover first. Hairdressing. If you are a hairdresser and you just open a store, you stay in that store, you expect customers to come and give you money, and they are not coming, is because you have not sell yourself. You know, I do marketing, and in marketing I say sell yourself. Sell yourself is very, very important. Now if you are a hairdresser, you don't just want to stay in your salon and wait for people to come and do their hair. What you have to do is that get to hospitals, go to the maternity section. There are women that put to birth and they want to leave the hospital. They need people to do their hair. So you can just go to different hospitals around, write your number on a paper and paste it, the hairdresser needed, as soon as possible. You write your number there, you paste it there. When I gave birth in the hospital, I needed somebody to do my hair before I come back, because while I was on labor, I did my hair, but during the process of labor for more than 10 days and all that, my hair got scattered. So I needed somebody to do my hair before I could leave the hospital. But you guys, there was nobody. I could not call anybody. So if you are a hairdresser, you can go to hospitals, write your numbers there, go to people's houses on weekends, do their children's hair, get their kids, you do their hair. I think babies, you can play something like Ghana break. I don't know how they call this, but you play children's their hair, they can pay you 300, 500. If you are to add an attachment, it can go to 1,000, 1,500. So imagine on every weekend you have to play like 5, 6, 7, 8, or even 10 kids their hair. You are going to make a lot of money. Or you go to hospitals, in maternities, maybe each day, like the hospital where I gave birth, about 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, even 10 women give birth every single day, and some are being discharged. So imagine every day you are able to do maybe 5 people their hair at the hospital before they leave. It's very, very important. So say yourself, you can do cakes and pastries. You can do things like ching ching, peanut, donut, gâteau, and all that. And then you supply it to people that work in offices. You supply it in stores. You supply it in supermarkets. You supply it in shops. You even supply some in different schools. You can go to schools, you take command. Like these days, there are schools whereby they don't permit children to go out for break to go and have breakfast. So what they do is they lock them in the campus because they don't want them to go out. And they advise parents to always cook for their children and bring their food to school. Now, if you are somebody that you are into pastries, I think this is going to be a very good business idea for you. As you can go to different schools, advertise yourself, sell yourself, give them some of your chin chin, let them taste it. And if it is good, they are going to give you orders. Okay, every day, maybe bring us 30 wrappings of chin chin. Every day, 30 wrappings of chin chin is 3,000 francs. Times 5 days is how much? Is 15,000 francs. Times 30 days of the month is about how much? That's much money. So if you need a business idea, this is a very good business idea for you. Go to schools, go even to hospitals, different workplaces, advertise yourself. You will make a lot of money from go this into business. Dry food processing. You can process dry cocoyams. The last time my husband bought dry cocoyam flour from somebody and we make a quack, it was so good and delicious. You can process dry cocoyam, dry potatoes. Currently, my daughter is eating dry potatoes and phosphatine. You can process dry soya beans, dry garlic, dry onion, dry ginger. Like go into food processing, dry food processing. You will make a lot of money from this business idea. So if you have done it before or you are trying to consider this idea, let me know. I can guide you more in the market, to stores, to shops, to supermarkets, to household. Just sell yourself. People are so damn hungry. Like if you are in Cameroon, you can go to different food. Fast food, I talk about rice, fried rice, and chicken. You can also make fruit salad, vegetable salad, accompany it with it. You go to these bus stations. There are people that leave their house very early and they're traveling. If you are into fast food, you'll be able to sell to these people, let them eat before they travel. And fruit salads, vegetable salad, jollof rice and chicken, you can also supply it to offices. People work in offices and they sell puff puff and beans. Yes, I said puff and beans. I know you might not like this one, but let me tell you, if you have any joint around your neighborhood, maybe a small joint like a Carrefour or a small park, just get there. You just need to be two of you, or even one person can start this one. But I advise two people. Yes, you can just go there. You mix your flour every morning. You fry puff puff and beans with pap. You are going to make a lot of money. Bike riders, taxi drivers, bus drivers, camion drivers, they will come and eat at your place. You can equally make tea and bread, which is a small cafe resto alongside with it. You are going to make a lot of money from this business idea. I'm telling you, you are going to make a lot of money. I've seen people buy cars from selling puff and beans. I've seen people build houses. You can equally make akra and pap, akra banana with fried fish. You will make a lot of money in any joint you have around your environment. Just try this business idea. You will make a lot of money, and you're comfortable for you to do is to open a cyber where people come and do photocopy of their documents. Like people do photocopy of documents every single day. You do photocopy of your ID card, your birth certificate, your certificates, application letters, and all those things. People do photocopy every single day. You can also have an internet connection where people come and browse there. This is going to earn you a lot of money. Like there are people that come there to photocopy a full book, like a book, to type a book. There are people that come there to type their projects. There are people that come there to type funeral programs, birthday programs, design. So if you are somebody that needs a business idea to do and you have the money, open a cyber. You are going to make a lot of money from this business. I'm telling you, you are going to make a lot of money. Personally, as a company, I know the amount of photocopies we do every single week. If our photocopy is small every single week, it could be 30 to 40,000 francs that we do every single week as a company. 10,000 francs every single day. When you multiply it by the number of days you work, that's a lot of ideas I have to share with you all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you want to start any of this business, I don't know how to go about it, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section and I will do a proper video to direct you on how you can start this business idea. So if there is any business idea that I've just talked about and you are interested in it and you want to do it, but you don't know how to start, you need advice, you need direction and counseling, please do comment in the comment section and I will do a proper video on how you can start, the equipment you need, the amount of capital you need to start this business idea. And if you're watching this video and you have other business idea that can help somebody, please leave them in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until now, I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, share this video and like, and I will see you all in my